Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to discuss with you guys how I installed my own air radon mitigation system and my own water radon mitigation system, what tools I used in the process, what I learned, what I got out of it, and at the end I'll go over our lab results from a certified lab before and after for both air and water radon levels. So here we go. Okay, so here's basically all the tools you need to install both air and water radon systems. This is came from Harbor Freight, it's the SDS Max hammer drill. There's the adapter that came with the coring bit set I bought on eBay. It came with 5 different sizes. That's the largest, 5-inch hammer drill with the concrete drill bit, which came with the Tapcon anchors, I believe. PVC cement to cement all the PVC sections together, thread sealant for the water radon system, caulking gun, white silicone for the outside where it penetrates the vinyl siding on the outside to seal it up, hole saw 2 3/8 inch for the water system, and a whole larger 4.5-inch hole saw for the air radon system, and just a hand PVC cutting saw. And that's pretty much all you need. I might have missed something, but that should do it. So this is a view of me starting to run the 2-inch PVC lines to vent the water radon system from the house. So I also had to install a whole house water filter in front of the system so it wouldn't get clogged by impurities from the well. This GE whole house water filter runs around $60 to $70 at Home Depot, and the filters cost around $15 to $30 depending on the sediment size. Yeah, so here I used threaded adapters that I found at Home Depot, and then I used 3/4-inch threaded shark bite adapters, and then I connected that to my 3/4-inch PEX lines. The only issue we ever have with this radon machine, randomly sometimes this goes from home mode to away mode, which will turn the mechanical valve right here from vertical to horizontal, and the alarm will go off. Usually when we are gone for a weekend, we'll just bypass the unit manually and just shut it off. And this way it's just going off of the well pump pressure tank, and bypassing the whole radon system when we're not home, because we don't want the alarm to go off when we're not home to bother our pets. But this is how you would reset the alarm. To reset the alarm, you hit reset, open, reset. I'll show you real quick what I mean. So let's say if I want to go, I just shut it off. So when you first turn it on, it kind of pressurizes briefly. So when you hit away, see the alarm? So sometimes this does this on its own. So to reset it, you would just hit reset, open, reset. Yeah, that's that's all you have to do. Sometimes I don't know why this turns on its own randomly and the alarm goes off. We'll hear it in the mornings. But this is the electronic valve, and then this is the manual valve where you can bypass the radon system itself. So hopefully that explains it a little bit better. That's the only issue we have with this one, and it happens very infrequently. But like I said, when we're on vacation, I just bypass it and turn it off, and we'll turn it on when we get home. So this is a view right after I punched through the basement floor with the 5-inch concrete coring bit. I then removed 2 5-gallon buckets, give or take, of material to create an airspace. I then backfilled it the best I could with crushed stone to get better airflow, and then I installed wire mesh on the bottom of the PVC pipe and inserted it in the hole to create a nice suction. I sealed it up with some concrete elastomeric sealant. This is how it looks so far. And then I bought this off of eBay. It's a vacuum gauge to monitor the suction power of the radon system. I ended up using 2 siding blocks, and I cut holes in them for both systems. I thought it gave a nice clean look, and then I sealed around them with white caulking. I also wired up and installed a switch where I could disconnect it in case I need to service the outside radon system. Next up is a view of the system itself. It's made by Fantech. It's the most powerful model I found online. It's 515 cubic feet per minute, and it's a variable adjustment, so you can adjust it up or down depending on your need. I decided to run both systems behind the chimney so you can't see the systems from the front of the house. They're nicely hidden on the back side, which I really like. Our home inspection report revealed high air radon levels at 10.9 picocuries per liter. Anything over 4 picocuries per liter, you should have a mitigation system installed. So our home inspection report revealed extremely high water radon levels at 120,000 picocuries per liter. Anything over 4,000 picocuries per liter is considered high, and you should install a water radon mitigation system. Our home inspector had never seen such high levels, so he paid to have it retested, and it came back with that same high level. After the system was installed for maybe 5-6 months, we paid a certified lab to have it retested, and it dropped it from 120,000 picocuries per liter to less than 100, which I was amazed to see it drop it that much. So that was awesome. Hello everybody, I just want to go over all the costs that we incurred to install both radon systems. Our water radon system was $2,600. There was another $100 for the GE whole house water filter and spare filter. 2-inch PVC, that was around $100 because it was a longer run and up the chimney. 4-inch PVC for the air radon system was another around $100 because it was a shorter run. Probably spent about $30 in different PVC fittings. Another $30 in thread sealant, PVC cement, and the concrete elastomeric sealant. And the air radon system, the fan, I bought the strongest I could. That was $350. So the total is $32.95. I didn't include the large hammer drill and the coring bits because I already previously owned those. But give or take, that would probably be another $250. So you could say $3,500 total, or you could probably rent those from a local hardware store for like $50 or something like that. So total around $32.95 to $3,500 for both systems, and that's a huge savings because you're looking at a water radon system alone is probably between $6,000 to $8,000. So hope you guys got a lot out of this video, and best of luck. Lastly, I'd like to close out this video by saying I'm not a professional by any means, so just take what I said as an informational session, and if you don't feel like tackling a job like this yourself, just hire a professional. This is just what worked for us, and it reduced our radon levels by a lot. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and look out for the next video. Thank you.